Hi guys, welcome back to another helpful video. Today we are featuring the Redmi Note 15 Pro Max. And in this tutorial, I'll show you how to hide apps for better privacy and security. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Now let's get started.